Understand this, your mind and your body have to work together for your mind and your brain to properly reprogram. I'm asking you to believe me, because if you believe in everything that I'm about to tell you, it's going to be magic in your life. I want to give you a gift. I did this for I think 60 to 90 days. Write this down. No TV, no radio, no music. Remove yourself from Facebook and Snapchat and Instagram for 60 days. There's no reason why we still should be in poverty, averageness, people out there that are working their ass off trying to live the great life.
Pay attention closely if you ever want to be super successful, okay?
No TV, no radio, no music. Pull away from Facebook. Don't trust that your mind and your eyes are not going to see something that's going to try to seduce you and interrupt you or to be involved with something else. Let's go!